Hello guys, this is your boy Danish with another video, giving you some knowledge you might need practically. This is if you are interested in such stuff. Today's topic, drones. This will be a very basic video in which I will discuss the kind of drones. In Pakistan, we could divide that into three categories: toy drones, FPV drones, media drones. First, let's talk toy drones. The drones we see everywhere, the cheap ones, the sturdy ones, hard to break, easy to fix, having brushed motors, so flies a few hundred times, after which one or two motors burn out. Pricing from a few thousand to 50k rupees max, just meant for fun and play. The second kind in my list, the crazy, the fast FPV race drones. They can be from custom built to pre-built, a serious kind of drone that can zip zap in the air doing 100 kilometers per hour. Not a toy, not easy to fly, but worth all the effort for those who fly such monstrosities. Comprised of brushless motors giving them all the power they need, basically is a flight controller strapped onto a frame with motors. Price ranging from 25k to even lakhs depending upon your configurations. The third kind, media drones. And you know I love my media drones. DJI, the drones used to shoot movies professionally, have brushless motors, gimbal stabilized cameras and long range. Expensive but worth the cost. Videos produced by these marvels are beautiful and pleasing even to the untrained eye. There are many companies that make such drones, but DJI is on top. Price is above 70k for sure. That concludes our list. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.